pulled up to a job, and what it is, just a little carpet tear out. This little pile right here. I'm just gonna go ahead, load it in the bed of my truck, and yeah, this will be a quick and easy one. Yeah, this was a pretty nice job. I mean, I've only been here for a couple minutes and I'm pretty much already done. So this is definitely a plus that he already pre-rolled all these carpet pieces and the padding. What I'll do with all these tack strips is just set them in there and roll it up. I'm also grabbing these picture frames as well, and this is my trash can, by the way. He's got a couple more projects in there, so we'll be back at this job, but he's gonna use that for some flooring inside. So yeah. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the last job. If you guys watch the channel, you would maybe possibly recognize this house. Last time we were here, we backed up the roll-off dumpster right here and we did a quick job in their garage. And I just got all the carpet unloaded out of the bed of the truck, and this is another quick small one. So let me show you what it is real quick. So all we're going to be doing is removing this trampoline, and pretty much all of it except for this net here is going to be scrapped. So yeah, this will be a quick, easy one and a nice one to finish off the day. I just talked to the customer. This little bench, and there's a ladder in that corner as well, and we're gonna go ahead and scrap these for him, and then I'll get started on the trampoline here. And what I'm gonna do, all of these I'm gonna put in this bag so I don't have to carry, 100 different things here. All right, guys, this job is a wrap. Alright everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate you guys watching, and come back in the next one.